Hi there everybody, UK independent demonstrator Halsey from slimandstylish.com. Today I have this cute horse card using the Let It Ride cling mount stamp set, and I've used the Crackle paint background stamp set for the back. It confused me to start off with because I didn't know where to put my magnets on the Stamper Artist. And then I realised that it doesn't really matter because this takes the whole card up. How great's that? I used lots of memento and then pushed really hard to make sure I didn't have to double stamp it. But just in case I did, I put that arrow in the corner of my grid paper so I knew exactly where to line up the paper if I needed to do it again. I did apply quite a bit of pressure. I stood up to do this just to make sure. I was really worried it wasn't going to work. I didn't know how it would work using memento ink over the top of memento ink for the horse, but by the time I double stamped it and then used my Versamark and clear embossing powder and then coloured it in with the Stampin' Blends, I used the black, light and dark to do that. I thought it stood out quite well. I'm going to leave you with the music while I do that, and I'll join you when I get back to tying the ribbon. I'm using the basic black twine and the old olive twine to create this sort of, I suppose it's like a spider graph effect. I used to do these at school and we used to have holes in the paper. I have literally just balanced this on the card, but when I go over the corner, I do need a glue dot just to keep it in place. And then I go in between the two sort of strands with the old olive thread. I quite like the effect it makes, but it is a bit tricky when you're doing it to get everything in the right place. You kind of need an extra set of hands, if you know what I mean. I was definitely limited with just two. After that, I used the stamp and the two scallop punches to cut out the sentiment and attach it with a dimensional, before backing it onto the old olive mat and then onto my tent fold card. The white cardstock is 9.5 centimetres by 13.8 centimetres. The old olive cardstock is 0.5 centimetre larger on both sides, so it's 10 centimetres and 14.3 centimetres. And then the tent fold cardstock is just a piece of A4 cut in half and scored in half, so it creates the mat. I hope you've enjoyed this project and you found it useful. I love this Let It Ride stamp set. If I was to list my top 5, it would be in there. Don't ask me what else would be because I'd be conflicted over which one got the number 1 slot. We have so many good stamp sets in the Occasions catalogue at the moment. I'd probably put this in the top 3. Oh, I don't know, I'm going to stop numbering them. It's upsetting me because I'll have to knock other ones out. But I do love this stamp set and I've used it a few times. So go back and look on my site for any projects that might inspire you. Have a good day and don't forget all these projects you can purchase from slimandstylish.com. Any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll get back to you.